software acts as a bridge between hardware and user. So, software acts as a bridge between hardware and user by providing a user-friendly interface. This interface allows user to interact with the computer without needing to understand the complex technical details of its hardware. For example, when you type on a keyboard, so the software interprets your keystrokes and translate it into command that your hardware can understand. Similarly, when you click on the icon, the software sends you click on the icon them into commands that the hardware can understand. Similarly, when you click on an icon, the software sends instruction for the hardware to display the corresponding application. So, what is system software and how does it help in managing computer hardware? So, system software is a type of software that manages the control the computer's hardware resources. It provides the condition for other softwares to run and ensure the computer operates smoothly. So, for example, operating system. The most important system software, the OS, manage the computer resources, including memory, CPU, and storage. It provides a user interface, handles input and output, and allow other programs to run. So, what is application software and how does it different from system software? So, application software is designed to perform a specific task per user. It's the software that users directly interact with to accomplish their goals. Why is software essential for different industries and how can be customized for a specific needs? So, software can be customized to meet the specific needs of different industries and businesses. This involves tailoring the software to fit the specific workflow, data requirements, and user references. Customization allows business to optimize their software for maximum efficiency. How does software impact your daily life, studies, and future career? In my daily life, we use software for communication, entertainment, shopping, banking, and many others daily activities. And for my studies, I use software for research, writing assignments, and accessing online learning resources. And for my future career, software development is a rapidly growing field with many job opportunities. Understand software principles, and it's essential for us to success in many technology-related careers. So overall, software continues to evolve rapidly, impacting how we live, we work, and we learn, understand its different types and application. It is important for navigating a digital world and preparing for our future. That's all.